Good morning, dear students and friends. Today we will discuss about vegetative propagation, natural vegetative propagation. Three types of natural vegetative propagation we discussed in previous videos. Now we are going to discuss about fourth method of natural vegetative propagation. Fourth type of natural vegetative propagation is by reproductive organs. By reproductive organs. First type is natural vegetative propagation is by stem, second is by root, and third is by leaves. And fourth type of natural vegetative propagation is by reproductive organs. In some plants, flower buds become flower bud transforms into bulbil. Flower buds transforms into bulbils, and these develops into complete new plants, and they means bulbil develop into complete new plants. For example, agave. Agave and Dioscorea. Agave and Dioscorea. In these plants, bulbils develops into complete new plants. Here the flower buds is the reproductive parts of plants. Flower buds transforms into bulbils. Flower bud transforms into bulbil, and bulbil develops into complete new plants. For example, agave and Dioscorea. In these two plants, bulbils develops into new plants. This is the fourth method of natural vegetative propagation. Now we discuss about second method of vegetative propagation is artificial. First is natural vegetative propagation. These are the four types of natural vegetative propagation. Now we are discuss about second types of vegetative propagation is artificial vegetative propagation. In this process, this method devised by human. In artificial vegetative propagation devised by human, not natural, devised by human. And here this method is used for commercial production of plant. Commercial production of plants. Artificial vegetative propagation is devised by human, and these activities used for commercial production of plants. The types of artificial vegetative propagation are: first is cutting. First type of artificial vegetative propagation is cutting. stem cutting and root cutting. Stem cutting and root cutting. Second type of artificial vegetative propagation is layering. Second type is layering. Wound layering and aerial layering. We know it also Gutti method. Aerial layering is known also Gutti. And third type is grafting. Third type is grafting. All of us we discuss about first type of artificial vegetative propagation is cutting. Cutting, first type of cutting is stem cutting. First type of cutting is stem cutting. In this method, in stem cutting, in this method, stem of the plant is cut into small pieces. Stem of the plants cut into small pieces. Small pieces. And then buried under soil, and then buried under soil. For example, sugarcane, rose, bougainvillea, sugarcane, rose and bougainvillea. In sugarcane, we seen that the aerial part, this is the stem of sugarcane. Here buds appears. These are the node parts of the stem. Here nodes appear. We cut this stem into small pieces, one part, second part, third parts, and each pieces buried under soil, horizontal. For this type, we layering it horizontal under soil. This type of stem cutting. So in this method, the stem of the plant cutted into small pieces and cutted part of the plant buried under soil. For example, sugarcane, rose and in bougainvillea, stem cutting method are used. Second type of cutting is root cutting. Second type of cutting is root cutting. In this method, vegetative propagation through roots. In this method, vegetative propagation through roots. For example, lemon, guavas, apple, cherry. Lemon, guavas, apple and cherry. These are the example of root cutting. Next, second type of artificial vegetative propagation is layering. second type of artificial vegetative is layering. In the method of layering, development of adventitious roots is initiated in desired plant. Development of adventitious roots root is initiated in desired branch. Before separating it from parental plant. Through which new plants is formed. New plant is formed. Two types of layering. Two types of this method. First is wound layering. And second is aerial layering or gutte. All of us we discuss about wound layering. In this branch, in this type, long branch of a plant is being covered by soil. Long branch of a plant is being covered by soil. It's being covered by soil. Long branch of a plant is being covered by soil. It has to be kept into mind that 2 or 3 nodes of branch or stem burrow under soil. The branch which we covered by soil, in that branch 2 or 3 nodes is necessary. 2 or 3 nodes must be necessary. 2 or 3 noded branch we buried under soil, and after sometimes 15-20 days, after sometimes from these parts new roots, adventitious root is germinating. In wound layering, long branch of a plant is being covered by soil. It has to be kept in mind that 2 or 3 nodes of branch or stem burrow under soil. In 15-20 days, adventitious roots start originating from the part of plant. Now this branch is separated from parent plants. Two or three nodes. 2 or 3 nodes of branch या stem burrow under soil. This is a plant a long branch near the surface area branch. We burrow it under the soil. In these parts, 2 or 3 nodes must be necessary, or loose parts of the plant into aerials. After some time, here rooting process started. Root formation process started, and then we cut from here and germinate and planting it in other field. This is the wound layer. Example of the wound layering is jasmine and mogra. Jasmine and mogra. Jasmine and mogra. Second type of layering. Second type of layering is aerial layering, or we know it also gutti. In this method, these methods are used in trees, woody plants. We can say that in woody plants or in trees, these methods are used. In these parts, layering or gutti, we remove the bark of the woody branch. Remove the bark of a branch. Remove the bark of a branch. Bark is removed from here. Bark is removed, and then moist moss moist leaves, rounded it, covered by the removed part of the plant parts is covered by moist moss या moist leaves. And this part is known as gutti. This part is known as gutti. The covered part, covered by moss, covered by leaves, covered by thread part of known as gutti. And the other higher branch of the plant, here a pot is fixed. A pot is fixed. A thread is put into it and covered the gutti for moist, for wet. So the wet is properly gained, and this part is being wet, moist, and root emitted from these parts, root initiating. So this method is known as aerial layering या गुट्टी. Thanks.